I'm Rich Hatch. You probably know me from Survivor, and you probably know, or one more time. Hey, hi, I'm Rich Hatch. You probably know, sorry, I got it. Here we go. Most of you know shoot, I forgot the line I wanted to use. We want you with us. That's all I remembered. But it's gonna be an adventure, that's for sure. We are, that sounds stupid, that we are. Kick it up a notch. Coolest, fastest, most luxurious. All right. Spearfishing, scuba diving, wreck diving, parasailing, big game fishing. Okay. Today, I'm on a boat. 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 Now, I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat.
Try that one.
I forgot taking these off, so I was improvising.
Hey, sorry I couldn't make it for the shoot. We had...
We'll try that one more time. You guys like,
That's you. You're all the lines.
Am I rich? Cut.
Great picture.
Sure.
Probably didn't get
The big head? No. He's looking at me like...
like I'm waiting for it. That's good acting, isn't it? Yeah. Where are you?
Do it one more time.
Not all high. I'm not going to be even in this. It's going to be some guy on an island. Is that good?
Don't worry.
Okay, we're rolling. The big head.
Oh.
Okay, try one more time.
This is the last thing.
Look right into the camera.
Just check it.
That was funny. That's probably the one I'm going to use.
Yeah.
Told you.
The big head.
I'll put together the script.
I'll be there.
It's perfect. It's not even overdone. It's so perfect, I think. Oh, I've got a cool idea how we can do that. Let's do it again. I've got a cool idea how we can do stuff like that. Oh, again. Oh, I've got a cool idea how we can do that. That's not even good enough. I need a big smile.
Yeah.